Hello crypto fans. Today we're going to be looking at, or let's say we're going to be comparing two heavyweight crypto wallets, that is crypto.com and OKX Web 3.0 wallet. We want to see which one you should use. Now when it comes to ease of use, crypto.com wallet is best for beginner because it is beginner friendly and has a sleek mobile app, while OKX Web 3.0 wallet is more advanced and has a Web3, is also Web3 focused. Yes, has a Web3 focused UI. So we'll say crypto.com is better because of how it is beginner friendly. When it comes to supported coins, crypto.com has about 250 plus cryptos, which is great and it's also great for major tokens, while OKX Web 3.0 wallet has about 1,000 plus and it is better for ALT coins and DeFi. When it comes to staking rewards, crypto.com has high APY with easy staking options, while OKX Web has competitive rates and has more flexibility. When it comes to DeFi access, crypto.com wallet has limited DeFi integration, while OKX Web 3.0 wallet has full Web3 support, that is DX, DApps, and NFTs. When it comes to security, crypto.com has strong security with two-factor authentication, and biometrics, while OKX Web has non-custodian, which means you own the keys. And lastly, when it comes to the fees, crypto.com wallet has a slightly higher trading fees, while OKX Web 3.0 wallet has lower fees, especially for swaps. So what's the key takeaways here? You can choose crypto.com if you're new to crypto and want a simple all-in-one app with great rewards. But pick OKX if you are into DeFi, altcoins, that is ALT coins, and want full control over your keys. So which words are you teaming with? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto showdowns. See you in the next video.